Hey everyone and welcome to Mad Investor. As you know, I like to cover all those Launchpool and launchpads from Binance, as they are most of the time innovation coin and actually the initial exchange offering. So through that option, people have access early to those coins. And this time I would like to talk about the new one, which is MC Merit. So to access it, remember to go to those squares, then Launchpads, and within there you will see the recent Launchpool. So as you can see, it says it's upcoming, and when we click it to see more details, we'll see the time until farming starts at 15 hours since the moment I recorded this video. So you still have time to do that, don't worry. So you have an option to stake BNB, BUSD, and MC pool. So as you can see, there are three different options right now to stake those and earn this merit circle, which is MC token. So when it comes about some detailed rules, the first thing which I really like is that here the farming period is a bit extended because it's over 60, so it's 60 days actually. So it's over the normal option, which they normally do around 30 days. So this time it will be 60, and starting at actually 3rd of December at midnight UTC. So you can see that total supply it's over a billion MC, with circulating supply over 42 million, and launch pool supply will be 12.5 million. So that's pretty decent amount for everyone. And there will be three supported pools, as I mentioned to you, which will be BNB, MC, and BUSD. And the biggest one, the biggest reward pool is actually going to BNB, because 70%, which is 8,750,000. Then we have 20% going to MC and 10% going to BUSD, obviously because it's a stable coin. And the thing which is slightly different about this launch pool is that this launch pool is already listed on Binance. They actually listed at 2nd of December at 8 a.m. and we see that they went in with a stable price of around $10 right now. So there was no pump and dump, as obviously they just wanted to list it and at the same time introduce that launch pool. So that will be slightly different, but that means that also this will show the APY pretty quickly on the actual launch pool site. And regarding the MC Merit and what is that about? So the Merit Circle, which is the company which is actually behind this token, is a decentralized autonomous organization focused on developing the play-to-earn economy. So as you look, there is a big boom on those play-to-earn games. We see a lot of new games appearing, also a lot of options for metaverse. And looking at, Merit Circle is on a mission to maximize a value accrual across different games in metaverse, and they're creating platform at the intersection of capital, expertise, and players. So we see they're actually showing some options which they're actually working with, I would say, because it actually states Live Axie Infinity, Star Atlas upcoming, Illivium upcoming, Hash Rush. So looks like they are behind those projects. And to be honest, the Merit Circle aims to remain on the front of the innovation, the play-to-earn industry, with activities that are widespread across multiple sectors and niche, causing a constantly adapting organization that's always evolving. And as you can see, they have a lot of different partners. So to be honest, when I see at this company, I see it one thing. This is a core for all this play-to-earn new games and metaverses. So as I mentioned, because farming will start in 15 hours since I recorded this video, but obviously at this moment you can already stake your BNB, BUSD and MC pool, and it's really easy to do it. You just need to press stake and then choose how much you would like to stake. As I remember, the minimum amount was 0.01 BNB, and I think it's like a $1 with BUSD, so it's really available for, I think, everyone. And remember, if you're looking for those launchpads, you're just going here and click on launchpad. By the way, if you don't have a Binance account, don't worry, there's a link in the description of this video which you can actually follow and grab extra perks when registering. So you can actually use those promotions, especially for someone who is holding, I think, BNB long term, as I think this is definitely something worth looking into. If you have it in the vault will also participate some percentage in those launch pads, as this is kind of the strategy which they do, which I think it's also great. So thanks to it, you're actually having the perks of farming and earning that MC merits token. Looking at the end as a price analysis a bit, we see it launched at the 1036. It's currently on 1077. So obviously over the 60 days of a farming period, the price might actually fluctuate, but I'm not sure it will be a big jump. But it might be when some of the games like Illivium or Hash Rate will actually get released, then probably we'll see a bit of a spike, as obviously this is a core for that website. So to be honest, follow the project to see, you know, what is happening, as I definitely believe it is worth it. And well, this is it from me. Hope you like this video. If yes, you know what to do. Just hit that like and subscribe button, so thanks to I know that you know, you're watching that content and you want more content like that in the future. Thanks a lot and see you in the next video. Take care.